Imagine if you could have an on-demand relaxation routine that helps you sleep better, feel calmer throughout the day, and improves your overall health and well-being. Wouldn't it be amazing to find something that really works for you? Well, it's closer than you think. In this video, we'll guide you through the fascinating world of ASMR and help you discover your unique triggers to unlock the door to a more relaxed and fulfilling life. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion for many of us. Well, when we encounter certain triggers like whispering, tapping, or even watching someone perform a task, our brains process this information through the trigeminal system. According to research, ASMR can help reduce anxiety and promote feelings of calmness and relaxation. What are your personal triggers, and how do they make you feel? Share your thoughts below. Maybe you've already had an ASMR experience and didn't even realize it. Here are some tips to help you get started. First, explore different ASMR triggers and identify what works best for you. There are countless ASMR videos and audios available online. There are many on this channel. For some people, ASMR may be a deeply relaxing and enjoyable experience from the very beginning. However, others may need some time to find the right triggers or to learn how to fully relax into the experience. Don't feel pressured to explore triggers or sensations that make you uncomfortable. Stay curious, keep exploring, and be open to trying new things. Engaging with these creators can help you stay up to date on the latest ASMR trends and discoveries. Additionally, joining an online community of ASMR enthusiasts can provide a supportive space to share your experiences, ask questions, and learn from others. Who knows, you might discover a new ASMR trigger that brings you even deeper relaxation and well-being. ASMR has the potential to bring relaxation, stress reduction, and overall well-being into your life. So relax, enjoy the journey, and discover the amazing benefits of ASMR for yourself. ASMR should be a positive and enjoyable experience, and it's essential to prioritize your own well-being and comfort. If you're struggling to experience ASMR, don't get discouraged. Keep trying different triggers and approaches and be patient with yourself. ASMR isn't a one-size-fits-all experience, and it may take some time to find what works best for you. Consider keeping a journal to track your experiences, noting the type of trigger, the intensity of the response, and any other relevant details. Spreading awareness about ASMR can help others discover this amazing phenomenon and potentially improve their own well-being. This can help you better understand your personal triggers and preferences over time. ASMR can be triggered by a variety of stimuli, including auditory and visual triggers. For instance, you could listen to an ASMR audio while getting ready in the morning or before bed. Watching an ASMR video during your lunch break can also be a great way to de-stress and recharge. Remember, ASMR is highly personal, and what works for one person may not work for another. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Just relax, enjoy the process, and see where your ASMR journey takes you. Auditory triggers are sounds that evoke an ASMR response, while visual triggers are images or movements that produce the same effect. Common auditory triggers include whispering, soft speaking, tapping, scratching, crinkling, and clicking sounds. ASMR should not be used as a substitute for professional help if you're struggling with mental health issues such as anxiety or depression. Additionally, ASMR may not be suitable for everyone, and some people may not experience the desired effects. If you have any concerns or questions about using ASMR, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. Visual triggers encompass a wide range of things such as watching someone perform a task, looking at patterns, or even seeing ice being applied to skin. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Therapies found that ASMR significantly reduced anxiety levels in participants when compared to a control group. Another study published in the same journal demonstrated that ASMR-induced relaxation led to improved sleep quality in individuals with insomnia. This system is responsible for our sense of touch, and it connects our brains to our spinal cord through a network of nerves. As the trigeminal system processes the incoming stimuli, it sends signals to the somatosensory cortex, which is the area of the brain that processes touch sensations. Some people find that they need to be completely focused on the trigger to experience ASMR, while others can be more easily distracted. You may even discover new triggers over time, and your preferences may change as well. So how do you know if you're experiencing ASMR? Well, it's important to remember that not everyone will experience ASMR, and that's perfectly normal. But if you do experience it, you may notice a combination of physical and psychological changes. Physically, you might feel a tingling sensation starting at the scalp and moving down the neck and spine. You may also experience goosebumps, increased relaxation, and a decrease in muscle tension. Psychologically, you might feel a sense of calm, focus, and emotional well-being. Overall, ASMR can be a deeply enjoyable and relaxing experience. Interestingly, the somatosensory cortex is also involved in processing pain and temperature sensations. This explains why some ASMR triggers, such as ice, can evoke a range of reactions, from tingling to a mild form of pain. We're bombarded with demands from work, relationships, finances, and countless other sources. It can feel like a never-ending struggle to find moments of peace and tranquility. But what if there was a secret weapon against stress? Something that could help you unwind, relax, and recharge, even in the midst of a hectic schedule. Enter the amazing world of Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, also known as ASMR. ASMR is a term used to describe the tingling, relaxing sensation that some people experience in response to certain auditory or visual stimuli. While it might sound new age or even made up, ASMR is a real phenomenon that has been scientifically studied and documented. According to a 2021 report by the National Library of Medicine, ASMR is a psychological and physiological response triggered by specific acoustic and visual stimuli, leading to a deeply relaxing state characterized by low brain activity and reduced anxiety. But how does it actually affect our mind and body? But ASMR is more than just a physical sensation. It can also have profound effects on our mental state. Now let's talk about your ASMR journey. Have you ever experienced ASMR before? It's important to note that ASMR is highly subjective, and what triggers one person may not necessarily trigger another. Now that you have a better understanding of ASMR, it's time to embark on your own ASMR journey. If you haven't already, try incorporating ASMR into your daily routine. It's important to approach your ASMR journey with realistic expectations. While ASMR can be a powerful tool for relaxation and stress reduction, it's essential to be aware of its limitations. As you continue your ASMR journey, it's also important to respect your own boundaries and limits. ASMR is a fascinating field of study, and new discoveries are being made all the time. One way to stay connected to the ASMR community is by following creators like we do who share your interests. Remember, your ASMR journey is unique to you. Embrace the process, explore different triggers, and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family.